dishes.
Yeah.
Why are we piling up dishes?
To be a good customer.
Because you own the bar. Shall we go to Daiso?
Let's go to Dyson. Christmas
Christmas
shopping.
Christmas shopping.
What is that?
I don't know.
LED house.
It's not that cute. Oh, what about this? No. I don't have any batteries now. Say bye before it dies. Bye. Romantic Friday evening day.
At Daiso.
I haven't lost anything in the aircraft for so long, and I did yesterday. I lost my whole makeup pouch. Just left it in the aircraft and I don't know exactly where. I'm not sure if I can find it, but I reported the item. And usually when I'm flying, I don't carry my favorite products, but there were actually 2 makeup products from MAC that I recently bought. I just feel so stupid and I just want it back. I have to wait maybe for about a week to know whether they found it or not. But I'm trying to think that it's just things. It's okay, my life goes on and it's not a big deal. It's much, much better than losing my passport, my ID card, or my iPad or my phone, or this camera. Christmas calendar from Helsinki.
Day 4.
It's the 4th.
Let's see which kind it is. Oh. That is white chocolate.
No.
Oh.
This is
Oh, right.
my favorite actually.
Raspberry yogurt.
Yeah. Ready?
Let us begin.
Are you overwhelmed?
This was a bad idea. Yay! Happy! Okay. I'll do the outer perimeter border.
I'm gonna start with people. Give me all the people parts. After 90 minutes. I think you're doing better than me.
You're very good.
What should I get? Probably chicken breast and bananas. Do you need your chicken breast? Okay, how many? Actually, there's only 2. I got way too much again. So we ordered these from Temu. It's mini trees. Actually, they're not so many. Some of them are quite big. And we have these lamp posts. I don't know how to make them stand up. But anyways, we have these 4 mini houses. And they are super cute when the light's on. So cute. And we are going to make a little Christmas village with these. On our bar table here by our window. It's already our day 2.
Rocking and rolling now.
You finished the building part. I did most of the people.
Yeah.
We only left the most difficult part. Ice and the sky. 아가씨? 너 언니인지 알았어. 뒷모습 보고 왜 그런지 모르겠는데. 우리가 스파만 거야? 스파미 이름을 모르겠어. 오늘 너무 예쁘다. 나 굉장히 신경 썼다고. 나도 신경 썼어 오늘 마스카라도 했어. 너 신경 안 쓴 날이 있어? 쿨톤 웜톤으로 사오긴 했거든? 내가 손등에 발라보고. 와 그거 아니야? 립밤 아니야? 립밤인데 컬러가 아니 색깔이 되게 괜찮은데 얘가 너무 이상하게 아니야 근데 나 지금 이거 쿨톤 이거 바른 거거든. 예쁘가 과연 몇 번? 세우가 과연 몇 마리야?
이런 건 아닌데 근데 전반적으로 약간 때에 따라 다른데 그래서 오히려 하기 전에가 아까 전에 내가 너 좋은 거 알아?
우리
입술 다 똑같은 거 발랐어?
근데
당연한 얘기겠지만
다 다르게 보이겠지. 너무 너 스타일 아니다. 우리 잘못 샀어.
왜?
얘가 안 좋아하는 스타일이야. 이거가? I got the last one.
Your puzzle, you do.
Did Well done.
That's
Dior, the new essence, Dior.
여보 씨가 저에게는 좀 그냥 거절을 받아들일 수도 있어요.
Show me your fake smile.
Remember the name of the Greek place in Florida?
It's cute. I like the dessert wine.
It's good, huh?
Yeah, it's
And this is the light one.
Is
we
it?
have 4 levels of it actually.
Yeah, thank you very much.
No, thank you very much for coming again.
Thank
Thank
you.
you. Bye.
안녕히 계세요. Thank you for dinner.
You're welcome.
Hold it. Hold it. Hold it.
I'm putting in my. Jeez, my drinks for you.
The cameraman, that's a bad angle.
Oh, there you go.
Oh, like sit a little bit higher and then do this. No. Why are you so extreme? Do you want to sit here? Oh wow, this looks good. Shall we have a walnut pie?
Yes.
Peanut butter and blueberry jam. Actually, I want this one as well.
You can have one again. Go first.
Shall we get the camera? Thank you.
좀 찍어야 되는데 그쵸?
그니까. 치워드릴게요. No worries. 하나, 둘, 셋.
Merry Christmas to you. Tell her. Merry Christmas.
Hi. So this is for the baby.
Oh, thank you.
And
Thank
I
you so
have
much.
stickers.
Oh, thank you so much.
Thank you. Merry Christmas. 감사합니다.
Make your list and check it twice.
핀란드 산타마을의 공인 산타클로스가 한국을 찾았습니다. 해볼 수 있는 이곳에서 진짜 산타클로스와 함께 크리스마스의 설렘 즐겨보셔도 좋을 것 같습니다.
Carols and bells, none of them help. I still feel blue. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas.
Mä otan tuon hyvän onnen tuon tuntusta.
So hard to choose. Can I have one of this and this one? This one, yes. Merry Christmas.
I don't need a fancy watch. You can give the elves a break. You can't make it in the shop. You can't put it on your sleigh.
Thank you.
It's not
I have a big suitcase now.
good.
So it's good.
It's nothing will break. Everything
Okay.
is really
Okay,
soft,
that's
so
nice.
you don't have to be careful.
Thank you so much.
No worries. You're welcome.
I didn't bring anything.
No. I got like the serum. I love it. It's so
That
good.
wasn't the Christmas present though.
Yeah, but
Are you still using it?
I am. It's so good.
Nice,
it's
right?
so good. And
You know me so well. Nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love.
That one is a good picture.
Okay.
Motorcycle and then on the side.
And this one is
37.
37.
And it moves by itself as well.
Is it a similar size as this one?
Yes.
Fall in love. Santa, I've been good this year. Make your list and check it twice. I'll leave you a note right here underneath the Christmas lights. You know me so well, and nobody else can do what you do. I just wanna fall in love this Christmas. I just wanna fall in love. Fall in love.
just came home from work. Chris made a surprise for me. He put up all the decorations we ordered. Hey, it's me. Why are you growling?
Ready?
Yes.
Mittens?
No, socks.
Oh, socks.
Room socks. Oh, it's a matching for the mugs she got us
Okay.
from Itala. Because I told her you like
I'll do.
these. Cute.